love?
I'll go.
What is love? What is love?
I don't know.
You don't know? Happy Valentine's Day. Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography, and we're doing a little episode on what is love. Come here. Tell the camera, what is love?
I don't know.
Love is...
Yes.
Is love... What is love? What is love? Are you love? Are you love? Camera's right here. See? This is the camera. This is the camera right here. Look right here. This is the camera. Should I put a flower in my hair?
No.
Can you put one in your hair?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That works. Okay. What is love?
What is love?
Love is love. What else?
You are holding toes. No, I'm gonna do it.
Are you gonna wear my hat?
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Valentine's Day.
You do it. Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day over here at Living Radiant Photography. We hope you guys have the most incredible day.
Have Valentine's Day.
Oh. Right here. This. Yes, look at that. We hope that today is awesome. We hope that whether you're single, whether you're married and alone, whether you're single and alone or single with friends, you're loved. We're thinking about you over here, so we just hope you have a great day. I'm home all day with my 2-year-old today. My husband's working. We're making the best of it. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get milkshakes. Where else are we gonna go?
Go to McDonald's.
We're going to McDonald's, we are? Day, tell them.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. What are we doing today?
Nah.
Tell them what we're doing today. Where are we going today, Zeke?
I'm going to McDonald's.
McDonald's? No, we're going to where else? We're going to
McDonald's.
And where else? Costco? And where else? McDonald's. And are you... McDonald's. No, we're not going to McDonald's.
I'd like to stay. You don't.
Look at the camera. Hi.
We love you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Have a wonderful day.
A wonderful day.
And you should go where? Tell them.
Go at Costco.
Go to Costco. Where should people go today if they want to feel loved?
Go to a home.
Go to your home. Is that where love is?
Yeah.
Where does love live?
At the grocery store.
At the grocery store. Okay, you ready to throw these? Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Blow them kisses. Ready? Like this with your hands. Kisses. All right, say bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Your face has to go right here.
Bye.
Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day. We love you all.